Samsung is preparing to unveil its latest generation of foldable and flip smartphones at the Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event, with expected highlights including the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, as well as new accessories such as the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3, Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, Galaxy Ring, Galaxy Watch 7, and Galaxy Watch Ultra. While Samsung has yet to officially announce details about the event, Elite Teaser suggests it will be held in the second week of July. Notable tipster Andon Blast posted an official-looking GIF on X, formerly Twitter, indicating that the Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on July 10th, which corresponds to recent reports suggesting the same timing for Samsung's major launch. According to Smart Bricks, the pricing for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the United States has leaked. The phone will be offered in 3 storage sizes: 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. Unfortunately, all of these variants will cost more than the previous year's model. The foldable will be available in 3 colors: navy, silver shadow, and pink, and it will weigh 239 grams less than its predecessor, which weighed 253 grams more. The $100 price hike across all variants is expected to be mirrored internationally, especially in India, where foldables are among the most costly smartphones. Despite the price increase, Samsung is expected to provide tempting initial promotions. Customers who pre-book the Galaxy Z Fold May 6th get free storage upgrades and reduced accessory bundles. Details on these pre-booking incentives should be available online shortly. In July 2023, Samsung launched the Galaxy Z Fold 5 at $1,800 for the 256GB base model, with the Galaxy Z Fold SX's leaked price of $1,900. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is shaping up to be a significant release for the company, featuring advanced AI capabilities and a lighter design, but the increased price may be a point of contention for potential buyers as the launch APPR approaches. More details about offers and exact pricing will emerge, giving consumers a clear picture of what to expect from Samsung's. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.